Hi friends, I'm here to do some more Heggerty exercises with you. We're going to start with rhyming words. I'm going to say 3 words and I want you to repeat the 2 that rhyme. Cat, set, fat. Wet, hot, get. Fit, must, sit. Zip, top, rip. Tug, rag, rug. Can, hen, ran. Den, ton, hen. Mop, cup, bop. Dot, hat, jot. Jump, cap, dump. All right, let's move on to listening for beginning sounds. I'm going to say 2 words. You repeat the words, and then we'll say together the sound that comes at the beginning. Dill, dig. D. Fin, fuzz. Go, gave. G. Head, hope. Jig, judge. J. Kind, king. K. Leg, lamp. L. My, most. Nut, now. N. Peg, pup. P. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to blend syllables. I'm going to give you the 2 parts of the syllable. You'll repeat them, and then we'll blend them together. Untied. Untied. Redo. Redo. Handle. Handle. Garbage. Garbage. Complete. Complete. Hamster. Hamster. Tunnel. Tunnel. Muffin. Muffin. Ladder. Ladder. Unless. Unless. Okay, so now let's listen for ending sounds. I'm going to say a short sentence, and then you'll repeat it, and then we'll say together the sound that comes at the end of all of those words. Kate ate late. T. Big bug dug. G. Dave drove 12. V. Chad had old bread. D. Bess's dress costs less. S. Brad found old wood. D. James gives Liz roses. Z. Just quit it. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to have you do some syllable segmentation. So I will give you the word, and then you'll repeat it, and you'll clap it out on your own this time. Remember, you're doing these on your own. The first one is untied. That was me helping you. Next one is redo. Handle. Garbage. Complete. Hamster. Tunnel. Muffin. Ladder. Unless. All right. Okay, let's go on to syllable substitution. So I will give you a 2-syllable word, and we will substitute the first syllable in the word. The word is parking. Change park to play. Playing. The word is playing. Change play to read. Reading. The word is reading. Change read to count. Counting. The word is counting. Change count to see. Seeing. The word is seeing. Change see to park. Parking. Good. Now we'll add some syllables. So we'll start with the first one and we'll add a second one. The word is strong. Add est to the end. Strongest. The word is cheap. Add est to the end. Cheapest. The word is cool. Add est to the end. Coolest. The word is bright. Add est to the end. Brightest. The word is sweet. Add est to the end. Sweetest. Good. Okay, the last one is we are going to delete syllables. So we'll start with a 2-syllable word and delete the second syllable. Here we go. The word is dirty. Without E, the word is dirt. The word is spooky. Without E, the word is spook. The word is cloudy. Without E, the word is cloud. The word is snowy. Without E, the word is snow. The word is rainy. Without E, the word is rain. Good job. Okay, last exercise, counting words in spoken sentences. We have a couple long ones. I like to get new clothes. Six, sorry. I was looking at the next one. 6 in this one. I'm gonna have to mix it up now. I am so happy today. And that's 5. Did you hear that noise? 5 also. Do you like to get new clothes? And that's 7. My teacher helps me learn. 5 again. I like to hear music. 5 again. This is a great place. And 5 again. Nice job today, everyone.